Hola, hola, muy buenas tardes. Good afternoon, everybody. Just want to say drive safe out there. We just got this insurance claim from one of our clients. Stop on by. He is a native from Oaxaca, so he does not speak any English and he speaks very little Spanish. But the great thing about Allstar Auto Body is you come over here, we'll help you out with everything. We'll write down the accident description form and we'll call the insurance company for you. If you do have additional damages in your vehicle, we will mark them and we will give you a free estimate. We'll take care of everything that has to do with the insurance company. If you want to fix more of your vehicle, we do offer 0% financing from 3 to 6 to even 12 months. Give us a call at 805-816-2680. We can help you out with everything. Allstarautobody.biz. Go and get a free estimate online. Don't waste time. We got you. Allstar Auto Body. Let's go.